Before I moved to San Diego, I lived in New Jersey, pretty close to Mountain Creek Bike Park. That's actually where I started riding bike park. So I was recently back there visiting some friends and family and definitely getting a couple of days at Creek. One of the things I really wanted to accomplish while riding Creek again was the Covenant drop. When I lived there, I didn't think my skill set was up to it. I didn't think my bike was up to it. But in the last 3 years, I've really increased my skills. I've got a way better bike. So I really wanted to tackle the Covenant drop. I didn't really document this quite as thoroughly as I would have liked just because I was kind of focused on the drop and I was kind of nervous. So I don't know. I didn't document it quite as well as I'd liked. But anyway, here it is. Doing the Covenant drop. I got some roll-ups and, you can kind of see my process of doing something that scares the crap out of me. So hope you enjoy.
Okay.
Will my phone off the side here bother you?
It might, honestly. Yeah, I don't want to, kind of want to keep it as clean as possible. All right. So, we'll walk up to, yeah, the drop, honestly, probably not so bad. My biggest concern is honestly overshooting the landing and having a super heavy impact. I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue to clear this gap. Okay. All right. Just a roll up. I looked like they had a little bit of speed. All right. Whew. Roll up number 2. I got this. All right, fucking let's go. Drop it! Go fast. You got it. You got it. Got it. Got it. Fuck yeah!